A diet revolution: cabbage soup for weight loss. The cabbage soup diet is a popular weight loss plan. It promises fast results. The diet is simple. Eat cabbage soup for a week and lose weight. The diet is popular for a reason. It is easy to follow. You can make the soup yourself. The ingredients are affordable. The cabbage soup diet is not a magical solution. It is a short-term plan. It can help jumpstart weight loss. The origins of the cabbage soup diet. The cabbage soup diet has been around for decades. Its exact origins are unknown. Some believe it started as a hospital diet. It was used to help patients lose weight quickly. The diet became popular in the 1980s. It spread through word of mouth and pamphlets. People shared their success stories. The diet promised quick and easy weight loss. Despite lacking scientific evidence, the diet remained popular. People were drawn to its simplicity. It was a way to see quick results. The cabbage soup diet continues to be popular today. People are still looking for fast weight loss solutions. The diet's simplicity and affordability make it appealing. To make the soup, you need 5 large onions, 2 green peppers, 1 or 2 cans of whole tomatoes, a bunch of celery, 1 medium carrot, and a large head of fresh cabbage. Lose weight fast with this simple soup. The cabbage soup diet is structured around a 7-day plan. Each day has specific guidelines to follow. Let's break it down. Day 1. Eat only cabbage soup and fruit, except bananas. Drink plenty of water and unsweetened tea. Day 2. Focus on vegetables and cabbage soup. Start your day with a baked potato and butter. Avoid peas, corn, and beans. Day 3. Combine fruits and vegetables with your cabbage soup. Avoid bananas and potatoes. Day 4. Today you can have bananas and skim milk with your cabbage soup. It helps reduce cravings for sweets. Day 5. Enjoy up to 20 ounces of beef and 6 tomatoes. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Also, have your cabbage soup. Day 6. Eat beef and vegetables excluding potatoes. Have cabbage soup at least once. Day 7. End the week with brown rice, unsweetened fruit juices, and vegetables. Don't forget your cabbage soup. Remember, this diet is not intended for long-term use. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any diet. This 7-day plan is designed for a quick jump start to weight loss. It's simple, affordable, and can help you see results fast. And that's the cabbage soup diet, a simple way to shed some pounds quickly.